Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to train your dog to walk side by side with you without a leash. Walking with your dog can be a wonderful bonding experience, but it can also be a bit of a hassle when your furry friend is constantly pulling on the leash. But with a bit of patience and persistence, you can train your dog to walk obediently by your side. First, it's important to understand that training your dog to walk without a leash requires a lot of time and effort, so be prepared to invest in this training. You should also make sure that your dog is already well trained on a leash before attempting to train them to walk without one. This means that your dog should already be familiar with basic commands such as sit, stay, and come. Walking without a leash can give your dog more freedom, and it also strengthens your bond with your furry friend. But first, let's talk about why dogs tend to pull on their leashes. Dogs are naturally curious and want to explore their surroundings. They also have a strong instinct to follow scents and sounds, which can make them pull on their leashes. Positive reinforcement means rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, or toys. The idea is to reinforce behaviors that you want your dog to repeat and ignore behaviors that you don't want. To begin, you'll need to start with your dog on a leash. Start walking with your dog, and when they start to pull, stop walking. Wait for your dog to look back at you, and when they do, reward them with a treat and praise. Gradually increase the distance you walk with your dog, and continue to reward them for staying close to you. Eventually, you can start to walk without a leash. If your dog starts to run off, don't chase them. Instead, call their name and reward them when they come back to you. Remember, training your dog to walk without a leash takes time and patience. But with consistent practice and positive reinforcement, you'll be able to enjoy long walks with your furry friend without a leash. Finally, always remember to keep your dog's safety in mind when walking without a leash. Make sure the area is safe and secure, and be sure to keep an eye on your dog at all times. If you encounter a distraction or your dog starts to pull or wander, you can always use the leash to regain control of the situation. In conclusion, training your dog to walk without a leash takes time, patience, and persistence. But with a bit of practice and positive reinforcement, your furry friend will soon be walking obediently by your side. So get out there, start training, and enjoy your walks with your furry best friend. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dog training videos.